And because we already talked about your थोड़ा सा life के बारे में बात हुआ था.
Yes.
You were talking like, why not that dance? You stopped somewhere.
Yeah.
What was that? Why? There was an incident, right?
Yeah, there was very bitter reason. So I fell on the ground. I was doing some practice and I was taking backflip in the air and I collapsed in the mid-air and I fell on my neck and my nerves got weakened here and तो डॉक्टर ने मुझे बोल दिया कि आपकी नर्व्स जो है बहुत वीक हो रही हैं, आपकी बॉडी मूवमेंट्स पे बहुत टेंशन आ रहा है, आपकी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में भी दर्द हो सकता है, तो आपको ये सब छोड़ना पड़ेगा या फिर धीरे धीरे कम करना पड़ेगा.
पर तुमने छोड़ा?
नहीं, मुझे नेक्स्ट मंथ ही IIT दिल्ली जाना था हमें.
वो it was some show.
We were selected on the prelims, so हमें फिनाले के लिए जाना था. तो जाना है तो जाना पड़ेगा. I can't अपने क्रू को तो छोड़ नहीं सकते कभी, ठीक है. तो गए and somehow I did it. After that I used to be on the bed for 7 days.
Okay.
And without any mattress because it was giving me a lot of pain and but yeah, it was good. It was like that pain which makes you feel
Because
happy.
you like, I think एक craze था, love था
Yeah.
उस चीज से.
Yes, exactly.
But
because that hip hop helps me to grow my personality. Like whenever I walk, my friend says that you walk like a cool dude, man.
yeah.
And I
It
told
is
them like,
something.
it's my personality now.
Obviously, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि we as a human being, I guess हमारी जो genetic एक बनावट है, हर इंसान थोड़ा अलग बना है, and you were
yes.
one of those special जिसको grasp किया. Obviously, डांस अभी भी हम लोग देखते हैं, बहुत सारे shows आते हैं. हिप हॉप लगता बहुत ये किया, फिर अपने पे करने में आ जाए बत्ती सी निकल रही है और कुछ
It's a lot of practice.
Like ये रुझान, ये एक रीजन ये भी था because you can't go back to that thing hip hop again because थोड़ा सा problem create हुआ है.
Yeah.
Flexibility में फिर
Exactly.
But वो जो एक adrenaline और वो जो shock था, so वो सारा इस पे निकला because I really wanna say one thing कि I've heard your music and it is really good. It is really good. और वो हम लोग इस वीडियो के थ्रू भी दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे.
The thing was with me, like the thing is still with me.
Right.
कि मैं खाली नहीं बैठ सकता. मुझे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा चाहिए जो मुझे मतलब ऐसा करे कि मैं satisfied हूँ, मैं थक चुका हूँ और मुझसे और काम नहीं होगा. But I still want to do it more and more. I want to expand it. मुझे सारा knowledge चाहिए इस चीज़ का.
Right.
Maybe tomorrow I want to be in acting. I will do it.
Obviously.
I will do it because I want to expand it. मुझे और knowledge चाहिए कि मुझे इससे क्या क्या knowledge मिल सकता है. तो मेरे लिए knowledge बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है.
Right.
तो like I choose software engineering because I want to become an engineer.
Right.
I chose it. I did it. I got a job. I'm doing pretty well right now.
Right.
I want to do it. I want to be a dancer. I did it. I did it. I practiced it a lot, and I went to a hip hop qualifier. Sorry. So now I want to be a musician. So I'm making it. I'm hustling it again, day and night. Every second I'm getting it, I'm investing in it. So somehow I'm making it.
Let's go then. Let's go to this music only topic. Like how many years now?
It was started in September, June, July. Yeah, in September 2017 I started it. I started learning music theory.
Right.
I started learning this software. I started learning technical things, because it's electronic music, right? So you have to be technical.
Right.
And the genre which I used to make, it's dubstep. So
it's not easy.
It's not easy. It's like the most difficult genre you have to make.
Right.
Because you have to make your own sound, you have to make your own signature sounds, and you have to mix it so that it's not sounding very too muddy or messy or too harsh for your ears.
Right.
So you have to be very technical with this genre.
Right.
And of course you need a melody to make it more groovy, and you want to make people dance in it. So it took me 2 years to understand everything. And in that 2 years, I used to suffer it was like a joke for me.
Uh-huh.
I made one track and I sent it to one of the big label who has like 6 million subscribers in YouTube, and I was like, hey dude, check out my song, and this is like I'm the new generation of this dubstep era.
So what was the response?
Nothing at all.
Obviously,
No. Yeah.
But do they check like that? Just you
Yeah.
have to message and they check it.
No, see, you have to be very professional in this field too. It's not like musicians are cool. Okay, musicians they look cool, but they need professionalism in this area too.
Yes.
You can't just like go and try to be friendly with them. You
Right.
have to become a professional with them. So even like some people used to text me on Instagram like, yo dude, yeah, check out my music, this and this and this. So like, if you asking me like in a good manner, like, hey dude, check out my music, I this made, and if you give me some good like if you give me a good response, obviously I will give you a response. If you will like, if you are one like those guys जो wannabe type के होते हैं ना कि ये dude मैंने ये बनाया है और ये तुम अच्छा ही लगेगा तुमको ये nobody will give a shit about it.
I guess it's kind of a maturity to with the
Exactly,
time.
yeah.
One they learn कि
Yes.
कैसे और जितनी ठोकर लगती है कोई भी फील्ड हो I guess
हाँ.
उसे पता लगना शुरू हो जाता है. So we'll continue with one thing. And what was your first project like? When you started it, like you आपने शुरू ही कर दिया था पहले स्टार्टिंग से ही थोड़ा टेस्ट करना और एक कंप्लीट जैसे बोलते हैं सॉन्ग वी से इट सॉन्ग ओनली राइट.
Yes.
सो वो कब टाइम था एंड वो पहला क्या था, वो कौन सा डब स्टेप था?
The very first track was house actually.
House.
Yeah, it was house music.
And why house?
Because it
The
was the
name.
most easiest genre to make actually.
Okay.
Yeah, really. You just have to create a catchy melody.
Uh-huh.
You just have to create a good chords, and you have to make it as a groovy. That's it. Rest all is electronic, so it's all about mixing and mastering of the track.
Okay.
So I was like, if I do house music, maybe I will get to know how to create melodies.
Right.
Okay, because that's the important thing for everyone.
Right.
So I made it, and it was so messy and it was so bad. Even the melodies were not in the.
But is it your own opinion or you like जब हम पहली बार कोई भी चीज़ कर रहे हैं या बनाते हैं एंड स्ट्रीम्स हुई हैं सोशल यूट्यूब
Yes.
व्हाट्सएप भी आई गेस चल पड़ा था उस टाइम, सो यू शेयर इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स
Yes.
एंड टू अदर्स, सो व्हाट वाज द रिएक्शन? दैट्स व्हाई यू आर सेइंग इट लाइक
See, there are very few people जो कि आपको honest reply देंगे.
वैसे आई गेस ये समझ भी नहीं पाते
हाँ,
ज़्यादा लोग.
exactly, हाँ. तो और कुछ लोग यार ध्यान भी नहीं देते, उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि टाइम पास कर रहा है एंड व्हाई शुड आई गिव माय टाइम टू इट.
हाँ.
तो वो मैंने किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं किया, मैंने खुद से ही ये ओपिनियन लिए. मैं क्या बोलते there was my 2-3 friends, like there was one guy, he's my roommate at Hyderabad when I was working there. So I sent him to him and I asked him कैसा बना है. तो उसने सुना और उसने एक चीज़ बोली मुझे कि सुनंदन तू ये सीरियसली करना चाहता है कि बस ऐसे ही कर रहा, देख अगर तुझे सीरियसली करना है तो इसमें टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर, पर अगर तुझे ये सीरियसली नहीं करना है ना, ऐसे फन के लिए कर रहा है, तो इतना टाइम मत इन्वेस्ट कर इस पर कि तुझे लास्ट में ऐसा फील हो कि तू ये टाइम किसी और चीज़ में दे सकता था. एंड दैट हिट मी सो हार्ड दैट कि मैंने सोचा नहीं मुझे इस पर टाइम देना है. एंड तो वहाँ से चीज़ें ट्रैक पे आना शुरू हुई, मैंने चीज़ें समझना शुरू किया, मैंने ट्यूटोरियल्स देखने शुरू किए एंड आई यूज्ड टू टेक मास्टर क्लास. सो एक बार मैंने पेड मास्टर क्लास ली डेड माउस की, एंड विच हेल्प मी अ लॉट इन मेकिंग मेलोडीज एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कोड्स. फिर मैंने म्यूज़िक थ्योरी पढ़ी. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके इन दैट 2017-2018 September, in that 1 year I have made 10 tracks. Okay, and from those 10 tracks I learned my mistakes.
Right.
They were all just for letting me what are my mistakes and how I can improve it.
Right.
And in 2018 and in that 1 year I stopped making house music and I get directly into dubstep.
Right.
Because my first aim was only the dubstep. And so I made one track, Ninth. So it was my like debut
what
track.
what its name is, like ये YouTube में है?
Yes, it is in everywhere. Spotify, Apple Music, you can stream it from everywhere.
And the
And it
name
is a signed record label. It is a signed to a record label, Spite Records.
Okay.
So it was like my debut track on this field actually. Like there is a DJ Skj and
Wow.
the guy. So
That was something. Huh?
yeah, so I signed it to the record label and I was like super happy. Like finally I made I made a little bit of progress, but it is something.
Yes.
Yeah.
मेहनत रंग लेके आई थोड़ा सा.
Exactly. पहली बॉल पे चौका मारा ऐसा हो गया था मेरे लिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.